So today's video will be fun. So in all of those daily videos, I try to give a daily AI productivity tip that actually can save us 5 minutes of our time every day. Why 5 minutes? Because 5 minutes is roughly 1% of our productivity on a given day. So if you can save 5 minutes every single day, we actually compound 1% improvements one upon each other. Okay, so let's get started. How much time do people spend shopping per week? So if you look for the answer or some statistics, it's about 1 to 2 hours per week. Okay. Now next question: how much time would do most people spend on cooking? It's between 1 and 2 hours. Okay. So let's calculate this. It's basically so in every single week we have like 2 hours on shopping, and then we have roughly 10 hours for cooking, right? So we have like 12 hours. We spend 12 hours of our time on cooking related tasks, on just preparing meals. Like if I assume we have like one common meal, so if you are with your family or so, or maybe yourself, maybe you spend 12 hours every single week. Okay, so you see, like if we have a 1% improvement, it would mean that in a week, like 1% per improvement would it's basically 5 minutes, saving 5 minutes per day. So if you have 7 days, we need to save 35 minutes in order to fulfill today's 1% improvement. Okay, so how do we do this? We can easily accomplish this with a single AI usage that you would do once. Like you would plan your meals with AI once today, and you create a meal plan like this. I have already created one, a meal plan, a weekly meal plan that actually for all of the days has a single dish, and this dish we will simply eat every single week. Okay, so it will just repeat because I think it's enough variation if we repeat our meal plans. Okay, so very simple. We reduce the mental load. We have like one meal every day, and we use AI to plan the meals so that actually we love the meals as well. Okay, so let's start with a simple script. I use my other AI productivity tip that I already shared in another video. Simply click Alt and space to open ChatGPT app, and then you can ask a question like, here, I want to plan my meals for a family. We cook once per day in the evenings. We have 3 kids. We want to cook the same meals every week. We are all vegetarian and so on. Okay, so I simply give like all the constraints, and then it designs the dishes for us. I can iterate on the dishes. If I don't like particularly the dishes, I will iterate on it. I will use AI to create the meal plan and to adhere to our diets, right? Because in depth I explain our dietary needs for all of us, and our preferences, what we like, what we don't like. My kids love burgers, pommes, and like potatoes and those kind of things. And it actually creates meals not only to adhere to the dietary preferences of my kids and my wife and myself, but also to optimize for health and energy. Okay, and we use AI. We iterate until we have all of this. We put it into a Word document. We print it out, and it also gives us the weekly grocery shopping list. Okay, and this will then be used to save time every single week, because now we have the shopping list, and now we actually order the foods online if possible once per week. So we can use like different vendors for this. In many countries it's already like you can already order your foods online, so you save 1 hour every week for shopping, right? Because at least 1 hour. If you order food online, you would probably save more than 2 hours. Like a couple of years ago, I went shopping almost daily for food for my family, but then we shifted to like this weekly schedule, and then we shifted the weekly schedule to just ordering the food. And by ordering the food, we actually save at least 1 hour every single week, which would already fulfill today's productivity tip, right? 5 minutes per day is my goal, and then compound those improvements. But on top of this, I actually told it to give me some meals that can be prepared rather quickly, right? Less than 1 hour per day, so that we can at least gain 20 minutes every single day by having more like simpler simpler foods than we would previously have. Okay, so there you have it. Very simple AI productivity tip. Try it yourself, do it now, and print the list, put it onto your fridge, and then automate your cooking. Cooking is one of the most, like, it not only increases the mental load, so every single day we think about, oh, what will we cook today, what will we cook today, and it will lead to decision fatigue, because we need to decide for every single day what we want to cook in the evening. So we get this decision, we do this decision once today with AI for the whole future, and we could revisit the decision, say, in a couple of months if we don't like the meals or so, but we don't do it daily anymore. So we already save some cognitive load that we can then use and channel towards more productive things. We eat healthy, we don't buy stupid shit by like going to the grocery and like needing to process hundreds of small decisions what items to buy. We let AI give us like a list of all grocery foods. So to reduce the mental load, to reduce the time spent, and then we order the food online. It's even like better than, because now AI is involved in multiple steps, right? With the food delivery process already. It already works in most countries. Okay, and we do this once. We make our life easier every single day, save a lot of energy, save a lot of cognitive load, save a lot of time, and everything will become so much easier if you can save half an hour every single day. Okay, so very simple productivity tip based on AI. Thanks for watching. If you like these tips, then give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. I really want to grow this channel now. I really have want to revitalize the channel, and I kind of, for my own like fun and just because I want to see metrics going up, right? I want to see the channel subscribers going up. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.